Hey guys, it's Kids V here. It's another unboxing. So today we have an Ilepo USB charger, 8 port with LED display. 8 ports to work with mobile phones and tablets, made for digital products. I also have one in my room, right here. So there's one that's at the desk 24/7. So it should be a clone, however that one's using a black power lead and not the one that comes with it, just for length's sake. Okay, let's break the tape off the top. Before that, let's have a look down the side. So, basically says 8 smart USB charger with LED display. It's there. Bit out on that. And it says multi-protection. This is why I brought it, because this protection circuitry is absolutely amazing. Overcharge protection, thermal protection, short circuit protection, leakage protection, overpower protection, overcurrent protection. Basically saying it has surge protection, which is actually quite interesting that it's built in to the thing. It's built into the unit without using no surge protected extension lead or adapter. Input 100 to 240 volts, so it's worldwide. 50 to 60 Hz, 0.8 amps. Total USB output 5 volts, 2.4 amps. Total output, so 5 volts, 8 amps, meaning if this had 8 USB ports in it, you'll only get a port of 1 amp per USB port if you had it maxed out. Super speed charging ports, current output 5 volt, 2.4 amps. I believe on the box I believe it doesn't actually say that, because I saw another review and it said, I'm not sure if it actually has that. Right, okay, then it just basically says the same thing. Avoid electrical shock, suitable for dry waterproof environment. Dry waterproof? What? Environmental use. Do not pull lead or plug hard. Do not take apart or knock the charger. Stop using the charger when cover or lead damage. If the lead's damaged, then you use solder and heat shrink and repair it. And there's the manufacturer's information to the product down there. Let's take the lid off the product. This one's interesting, you know. Hang on. The one I brought yesterday has a 2 port plug. And this one looks like it has a 3. Right, okay, so let's have a look at the power brick. Yeah? Kennick. That's so weird. And I'm not kidding you. When I brought this one, had a 2 port power brick. So that's already a little bit strange. And this one has 3 quart brick, a figure of 8 clover lead. It's unusual. Anyway, let's get a look at it. Take out this little plastic sleeve. As we can see, smart USB charger, model i5, i6, AC, and output 5 volt 8 amp, made in China for indoor use only. Now I want to compare the two. That's unusual. You feel a little bit more different. This one feels more heavier. There's the little... It's got the exact same indicator. The only difference is if it's a different colour. They don't feel the same. Maybe that's printed on a different way, because the screen's there and the screen's front. So we've got to flip that one round. That is i6. They're exactly the same, just with a different plug on it. Now that is unusual. And put that one back to its home. And just quickly... Sorry about that, the camera ran charge. The camera ran out of charge and I did not see when it ran out of charge. However, what I find unusual about this one is the 3 core adapter. this is a C5 pin, and what I'm going to do, because the other one had a 3 amp fuse and this one has a, what? That better not be what I think it is. And it's already what I think it is. Guys, if you buy it, that should not be in there. That's a 13 amp. That should not be used. You need something more than that. That's why I'm always fishy about these Chinese products. I've brought out another 3 amp fuse just in case it was. So remember, that's why I'm always funny about these chargers sold on Amazon. These multi-chargers, things like that. Just check this one quickly to put on the safe side. 13 amp fuse should not be in this. You're a 3 amp, you're fine. So I'm not going to touch this one. Okay, so that was a bloody danger. That was dangerous. Lovely start video off. In a dangerous state. Just how I like to start them. Okay, let me get this clover out. Okay, and we have not very long, a Gashinet cheap horrible cable, but there isn't that much use to them because you can always buy another one, because this probably will, because this cable's absolutely awful. Let's plug it in and see. The display on this one's a bit different as well, actually. If I plug in the other one, and then I'll show you the display is completely different as well. This one's more of a funky grain, and this one's more like dimmer, but more relaxed in a way. So that already is a strange one. But you go home where you belong. There is no way I can plug this one in to the socket there, because that one, I thought that'd be interchangeable, but this one's got a C5 lead. However, the thing I can do, and the most important thing that I can do, is get a device and charge the phone. Right, okay. Have I got an Apple cover here? Have I got the iPhone? I've got the Android, but I haven't got the iPhone. There's the iPhone. Right, okay. Let's plug into port 6 for the thing. So the voltage starts getting pulled and it's saying number 6. Well, that's already a good start, wasn't it? Okay, so it's saying number 6, 1.6 amps. Now let's get out the other one, the Android phone, and connect to port number 3. And if you watch it cycle, it should go 6, 3, and it's telling you what they pull. However, that is unusual, how it just come out like that. That's not the best thing. So yeah, that just about sums it up. This is the unboxing and review of the Ilepo USB charger. Check the plug fuse if you live in the UK, because that should not have a 13 amp fuse. It's a 40 watt appliance. That should not have a 13 amp fuse in. So remember to check the fuse. Also do that with a lot of these C5 adapters, because the other day I got a monitor and it came with some weird German plug on it, and it was from AOC. So naturally I brought a UK one, and my UK one had a 13 amp plug-in, or a 10 amp fuse, so I changed it out for a 5 amp. So just be careful with this stuff. Think cables are disconnected. Be careful, because you might be using too high a fuse in the plug. Okay, so that's it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it.